Alright, so this is our last lesson on operations with fractions. Today we're going to be looking at how to divide mixed numbers. And hopefully you kind of have a little bit of an idea as to how this is going to go, since we've done so much work with multiplying and now dividing fractions already. I always recommend to kids, first thing to do to keep you from making a silly mistake is to go ahead and convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions and rewrite your division problem using that, so that way you don't make a silly mistake and end up costing you getting the question right. So we're going to do our normal around the world. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9, so this gives us 9/5 divided by 10 times 1 is 10, plus 1 is 11, divided by 11 over 10. And now I'm going to use that keep, change, flip that we looked at last week. Keep, change, flip. And rewrite the problem now as a multiplication problem. So 9/5, I'm going to keep it the same. Change division to multiplication. And flip to the reciprocal 11/10, so it's going to be 10 over 11. And now I can cross cancel right here. 5 and 10 can both be divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Multiply straight across. 9 times 2 is 18. 1 times 11 is 11. This is an improper fraction. I cannot leave it this way. So I'm going to take 18 and I'm going to divide it by 11. It goes in one time. 1 times 11 is 11. Subtract and we get 7. This number that's left over is my numerator. What I divided by is my denominator. This right here is my whole number. Oops, sorry about that. Is my whole number. So now this becomes 1 and 7/11. Let's look at another one here. Again, around the world first, and rewrite it as division before you keep, change, flip. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Now I'm going to do my keep, change, flip. And keep 5 halves the same. Change division to multiplication. And flip my divisor. So this is 4 over 15. Cross cancel and multiply like normal. Here I can divide by 2. And here I can divide by 5. I'm going to rewrite my problem so all that mess doesn't get in my way. And we get 2/3 this time. 2/3 is in simplest form because they are consecutive counting numbers. Last one, and then you are off to take your exit ticket. Around the world. Around the world. You always have to convert these mixed numbers to improper fractions. If you don't, you are going to get these wrong. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. And I'm going to use that around the world. Okay, keep, change, flip. 9/2 stays the same. Change division to multiplication and flip 3 over 2 to 2 over 3. I expect you guys are going to breeze through this today. Cross cancel. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Cross cancel here. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So my problem is 3 over 1 times 2 over 1. Which gives me 6 over 1, which is, of course, 6. So when you are Dividing mixed numbers. First thing you need to do is make them improper. Second thing you need to do is your keep, change, flip. Third thing you need to do is cross cancel. And then lastly, multiply. Good luck on your exit ticket.